In this video, the basics of creating features in a SOLIDWORKS part will be shown. In order to take a 2D sketch and turn it into a 3D model, a feature needs to be created. It is first necessary to have a sketch created before creating a feature. The commonly used features are found under the Features tab in the Command Manager. The basic types of features either add material, a boss, or subtract material, a cut. Features will be grayed out if that operation cannot be performed currently. An example of this is trying to use an extruded cut feature without having any material in the part to remove. Planes other than the three default planes can be created by selecting the plane feature under Reference Geometry. References such as planes, faces, lines, or points can be used to create these new planes. The planes can then be used to create other sketches to be used with features. Using a single 2D sketch, there are only two basic features that can create material: extruded base boss and a revolve base boss. With the sketch selected, click Extruded Base Boss from the Features tab. This will open the Extrude Property Manager on the left side of the window. There are a number of options in the window that allows you to control the end result of this feature. Some of the options are only available when other features already exist because other references are needed to use that option. The From option allows you to choose where the extrusion will start from, whether it is a sketch plane, another surface, a vertex, or offset from a surface. The Direction 1 box allows you to choose the direction that the extrusion goes as well as the depth of the extrusion. The End Condition Blind allows you to enter value and it will go exactly how far you specify. The other end conditions are very useful when keeping proper design intent within your model. For example, the option Up to Next extrudes the feature until it comes in contact with the closest surface in its direction. If the design were to change, the feature would still extrude up to the next surface. The direction of the extrusion can be reversed by selecting the reverse direction icon. An edge in the model or a sketch line can be chosen to change the direction of extrusion to something other than normal to the sketch plane, which is the default when the direction box is left empty. A draft on the extrusion can be added by selecting the draft icon and specifying an angle as well as whether the draft is outward or inward. The Direction 2 dialog box allows the extrusion to be created going in the opposite direction as Direction 1. The end conditions and draft features are the same as in Direction 1, but they would be in the opposite direction. The Thin feature controls the thickness of the part. This thickness is in the direction parallel to the sketch plane. This extrudes from the sketch lines in the direction specified from the end conditions. Selected Contours allows you to choose which region or sketch entities are included in a feature. Regions can be selected by hovering over an area with the mouse. The current area will be displayed in red. To create features, click the green check mark in the Property Manager or in the confirmation corner in the Graphics area. A feature that is already created can be edited by clicking the feature in the Feature Manager and selecting the Edit Feature icon in the Context toolbar. Other sketches and features can continue to be added until the part is complete. Other features property managers are arranged the same way and will have different options. For additional help on a feature, the Help icon can be pressed for more information on how to use that feature. Dimensions of features and sketches can also be changed by clicking on the feature or sketch in the Feature Manager, or by clicking the model in the graphics window and double-clicking a dimension. It is important to make sure that the design intent is kept within the model. This means to create the model with the mindset that if one were to change dimensions on the model, the basic end geometry would still be the same. When possible, and if it makes sense, use symmetry. Model objects symmetrically about the origin, as can be seen in this part. Even if the part is not symmetrical, the way it attaches or is manufactured will have symmetry. Symmetry can be important when creating a 2D sketch, a 3D feature, or an assembly. Using features such as a midplane extrude and the mirror feature will help keep these parts symmetric.